Hi, I'm Susan from Sunrise Quilt Studio. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I audition quilting designs on my quilt tops. I'm using a piece of tablecloth plastic, and I have the edges of that plastic edged with duct tape. The duct tape gives me a visual edge so that I don't accidentally draw off of the plastic and onto my quilt top. I'm using a dry erase marker, and I'm outlining the quilt block and all of the pieces within that block to give me a good idea of how these designs will fit within the block. I decided I wanted to do some traditional quilt designs but give them kind of a modern twist. So I'm starting out with a fan design that I'm drawing in this background triangle, and that'll give it a little more of a modern look. But then I also wanted to put some traditional feathers in it, so I decided to put those in the base of the basket. That base is going to be a focal point of this block, and feathers will show up really well in here, especially with a contrasting thread. In the base of the basket, I decided to draw in some continuous curve, which is a more modern design. And then I wanted to repeat those feathers in the background rectangles, and these are also traditional feathers, and they're just going to fill up that entire space. On the diamond shapes, I decided to do a 1/4 inch outline, but to double that up to give it a more modern look. And traditionally this block, this is a 1940s block, it probably would have been quilted strictly with a 1/4 inch outline in each piece of the block. And that is a nice look, but I wanted to give it more of a modern edge. So doubling it up kind of gives that more of a modern look. And then I'm just going to complete each one of these diamonds. And then I'm going to move on to the other background rectangle. And these feathers are just mirror imaging what's going on the other side of that quilt. Now for the little white triangles in the background, I decided I wanted to put feathers in those, and these are also going to be some traditional feathers, and deciding which direction I wanted those to flow was what was causing that hesitation there. In the square, I decided I would repeat the continuous curve that was in the base of the block. And that's about it for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.